Hey there Discord users, welcome back to Tech Basis. Have you felt like your Discord app is being a bit sluggish lately? Don't worry, we will show you the simple steps to clear your Discord cache on Android and get your app running smoothly again. Let's free up some space and boost that performance. First, head over to your phone's setting app. Next, find the Apps sections. This might be worded slightly differently depending on your phone's model. Now scroll down and find the Discord app. Tap on it to open its app info. Look for the storage option. This will show you how much space Discord is using on your Android device. Tap on it to open it and tap on the Clear Cache button. This will remove temporary files that Discord has stored on your device. Clearing the cache won't delete any important data like your login information or chat history. It simply removes temporary files that can sometimes cause performance issues. And that's it. Your Discord cache should now be clear on your Android device. Hopefully, this will help improve the app's performance and make it feel faster and more responsive. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any question about clearing the cache or other Discord troubleshooting. Thanks for watching guys.